Finding the right pool cue can be frustrating, especially when you want precision and control for your best game. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, CRICAL, Carbon Fiber Cue. The CRICAL Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick. This 58-inch professional cue is priced at $109.65, and what really caught my eye was its low deflection design. If you want a cue that enhances your accuracy, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about why this is such a solid choice. The carbon fiber shaft is filled with customized foam, which means it performs consistently, even on those tricky shots with a lot of spin. The 12.5mm tip offers excellent ball control, ensuring you can deliver precise shots, whether you're a casual player or a seasoned pro. Plus, with over 200 units bought in just the past month, it's clear that people are loving it. But here's the thing. Some users mentioned that they found the weight adjustment tricky to figure out at first. Now, I get that this could be a deal breaker for some, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, you're set for the perfect shot each time. The benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This cue is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your game and want something that supports your skills. Skip this if you prefer a heavier wood cue, as this one's adjustable weight may not suit everyone. For the price, you're definitely getting good value here. Product number 2, QSir Carbon Fiber Pool Cue. The QSir Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick, which comes with a protective case and is priced at $149.99. The combination of a carbon fiber shaft and maple wood butt really stood out to me. If you're looking for a cue that balances durability and performance, this one's worth checking out. The premium materials mean it won't warp over time, which is crucial if you're using it frequently. The Pro taper design allows for low deflection, giving you the ultimate control during your shots. With a beautiful leather wrap that adds comfort and a fantastic grip, this cue truly combines style with functionality. It even comes with replacement tips to cater to different playing styles, which is a nice touch. Over 50 of these have been purchased recently, indicating it's gaining traction. However, some reviews noted that the cue felt a bit heavy for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're new to the game, this cue might actually help you develop better strength and control over time as you adjust. For more experienced players, it's definitely a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a cue that feels solid and professional in your hands. Skip it if you're just starting and want something lighter and more forgiving. With the added case, it's a great value for the quality you're getting. Product number 3, Lucasi LP20Q. Coming in at the premium end is the Lucasi LP20Q, priced at $1,299. This stunning midnight black cue caught my eye with its floating imitation bone and silver crush inlay points. If you're serious about the sport and want a truly luxurious feel, this cue might be your ticket. The Pinnacle carbon fiber composite shaft provides a seamless experience with a 12.5mm tip, ensuring every shot feels just right. It also features a polyurethane foam core that adds a layer of stability during your shots. Let's be real, this cue is built for those who want to play at the highest level, and it shows in the craftsmanship. However, the price tag is a big investment, and some users have expressed concerns about its suitability for casual players. Here's the thing though, if you're really serious about billiards and frequently compete, this cue could enhance your game significantly, justifying the cost. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive player looking to invest in high-quality gear. Skip it if you're a hobbyist who plays only occasionally, as you might not need such a high-end cue for casual games. Product number 4, Conlin Carbon Fiber Cue. The Conlin Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick, costing $269. This cue has a really sleek design and offers a lot of features that caught my attention. If you're after something that balances performance and aesthetic appeal, this one's definitely worth considering. This cue features a low deflection design and a 12.5mm tip that allows for precise control. The customized foam inside the shaft reduces deflection on tricky shots, making it easier to put spin on the ball. The lizard pattern cowhide grip adds a luxurious touch while providing excellent grip for those tense moments in a game. Despite being on the more affordable side compared to others, it has garnered quite a bit of interest lately. On the downside, a few users mentioned that it might not feel as sturdy as some heavier cues. Here's my perspective. If you're looking for ease of handling and precision, this cue is a great fit, especially for those who may not want the bulk of heavier options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish cue that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you prefer the feel of a more traditional, heavier cue, as it may not satisfy your personal preference. Product number 5. Q-Elf Scorpion Pool Cue Stick. Last but not least is the Q-Elf Scorpion Pool Cue Stick, priced at $158.02. This cue made a strong impression with its unique spider print design and quality materials. If you're looking for something that stands out both in appearance and function, this could be a great fit for you. This cue is made from 100% Canadian maple and features a 13mm medium tip that provides solid ball control. The high-gloss UV finish not only protects it from fading, but also makes it visually striking on the table. The unique design gives you a sense of luxury, which is great for impressing your friends on game night. With its stainless steel joint, you can trust that it will maintain its integrity over time. However, some players found the tip a bit too soft for their liking. Here's the thing. While it's softer, this can actually help with better ball control for some players. It's all about personal preference, and if you favor control over pure power, you may find this cue fits you perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cue that performs well in casual or competitive play. Skip it if you prefer a firmer tip for more power shots, as that may not work for your style. So, to recap, we've got the CRICL for budget-conscious players, the Q-Ser that combines durability with style, the luxurious Lucasi for serious competitors, the Colin for those who appreciate aesthetics without sacrificing performance, and the Q-Elf Scorpion, which stands out with its unique design. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Q-Ser because it offers incredible value for the features it provides. As for the Lucasi, I'd avoid it for casual players due to its steep price tag.